बीजसल्लापमाधुर्या विनिर्भत्सितकच्छपि मन्दस्मितप्रभापूरा मज्जत्कामेशमानसा.
The sweet melody of her words put to shame the Kachapi, Veena of Saraswati. The Amarasesha says the Veena of Vishwavasu is named Brihati, that of Tumburu, Kalavati, that of Narada, Mahati, and that of Saraswati, Kachapi. The desire for hearing the Veena in the world is due to the beautiful melody coming out indistinctly from Shadja, etc., of the gamut, though there is no clear hearing of the letters. The Kachapi of Saraswati speaks like the parrot, a little distinct, along with the melody, but it is indisputable that with distinct utterance, the sweeter melody of her words excels all the musical instruments. So, it is said in the Saundarya Lahari, verse 66, when Saraswati, with her Veena, sings the various triumphs, that is, the destruction of Tripura and Daksha, etc., of Pashupati, O thou of beautiful speech, she has immediately to close her instrument with her fingertips. Directly you start your vocal music, shaking your head, and with sweet melody, which has the power of influencing the Veena's sound. The mind of Kamesha is drowned in the fullness of the glory of her sweet smile. Kama means Bindu, which forms the part of the body of Kamakala, and which is the sun termed fire and moon Agnisoma. The Kamakala Vilasa says Bindu is the form of Ahamkara, the sun is the form of the pair, Kama and Kala, of equal essence. Kama is that which is desired, so also the Kala. The two Bindus, Kama and Kala, are manifested as fire and moon. Ishvara, Lord, that is Raja Rajeshwara. According to the doctrine of Mimamsa, the mind is omnipresent. When it is said that mind is drowned, it shows that Devi's glory is unlimited.
अनाकलितसादृश्या चुबुकश्रीविराजिता कामेशबद्धमाङ्गल्य सूत्रशोभितकन्धरा.
Illuminated by the beauty of her chin, the equal of which is not to be found. Adorned with the marriage thread tied by Kamesha around her neck.
कनकाङ्गदकेयूरा कमनीयभुजान्विता रत्नग्रैवेयचिन्ताकालोलमुक्ता फलान्विता.
Her arms are encircled with golden ornaments, having a pearl dangling from necklace of gems and gold, or those who meditate Chintaka on the throat, Griva, alone are called Graiveya Chintakas, that is, they who cannot fix the deity in the cavity of the heart, but worship her externally are the middle class of the worshippers. The pearl dangling, Lola, means those who are bound by earthly desires. The Agni Purana says Lola means change and desire. These are the lowest class of worshippers. Muktas are the highest class of worshippers. She is in each case the fruit, phala, to be obtained by these three classes according to their desires.
कामेश्वर प्रेमरत्नामणिप्रतिपणस्तनी नाभ्यालवालरोमाळी लताफलकुचद्वयी.
Her two breasts are the price offered in exchange for that priceless gem, the love of Kameshwara. These two breasts are the two fruits growing on the creeper like hair which springs from her deep navel.
लक्ष्यरोमलताधारता समुन्नेयमध्यमा स्तनभारदलन्मध्या पट्टबन्धवळित्रया.
Her waist is to be inferred only from the group of creeper-like hair. Her golden belt supports her waist, which bends under the burden of her breasts and makes visible the three folds of the skin of the stomach below the bosom.
अरुणारुणकौसुम्भा वस्त्रभास्वत्कटितटी रत्नकिङ्किणिकारम्या रशनादामभूषिता.
Her waist is bright with a rosy tinted garment, decked in a belt beautiful with jeweled bells.
कामेशज्ञातसौभाग्यामार्तवोरुद्वयान्विता माणिक्यमकुटाकारा जानुद्वयविराजिता.
The symmetry and smoothness of her thighs are known only to Kamesha. Her knees shine like jeweled crowns.
इन्द्रकोपपरिक्षिप्ता स्मरतूणभजङ्घिका गूढगुल्फा कूर्मपृष्ठा जैष्णुप्रपदान्विता.
Her calves are like the sapphire studded quiver of the god of love, with hidden ankles, possessed with the instep arched like the back of a tortoise.
नखधीधितिसञ्छन्ना नमज्जनतमो गुणा पदद्वयप्रभाजाला पराकृतसरोरुहा.
The bright rays from her nails dispel the darkness of her worshippers. The worshippers, Brahma, Vishnu, etc. Darkness, ignorance. The meaning is the meditation on her feet dispels ignorance. In the Mastya and Padma Puranas, there is a speech of Narada after interpreting the bodily marks, Samudrika, of Parvati to her mother, Meena. A husband is not yet born for her, O lady. She will be devoid of good bodily marks, because she is an unconditioned one, and she will always have her hand raised, because a great giver herself, hers must necessarily be above that of the one who receives, and her feet will err by their own shadow. What more should be said? Himavan, hearing about these bad marks, addressed him with sorrow when Narada replied, when you have an occasion for great joy, why should you manifest sorrow, O great mountain? You are bewildered because you did not understand my speech. After explaining the meaning of no husband is born, etc., Shiva does not belong to the group of created beings. He says, I will explain what I meant by saying her feet will err by their own shadow. O best of mountains, her feet are like lotuses, shining with bright nails. When the Devas and Asuras prostrate before her, the various colors of their jeweled crowns, reflected, will drive away the rays of her nails, which, entering their hearts, dispel their tamas quality. The soles of her feet, by their beauty, shame the lotus.
शिञ्जानमणिमञ्जीरमण्डितश्रीपदाम्बुजा मरळीमन्दगमना महालावण्यशैवदिः.
Her lotus feet are adorned with jeweled anklets that tinkle. Her gait is that of the swan, the treasure house of beauty.